The Amazon rainforest breathes out 20% of the world's oxygen, but this life-sustaining powerhouse is gasping for air itself. Imagine the lungs of the Earth struggling, as deforestation, fires, and climate change threaten its very existence. Each tree cut down chips away at the planet's oxygen supply, and the delicate balance of our global ecosystem hangs in jeopardy. This sprawling green expanse, once a robust defender against carbon emissions, is teetering on the brink of becoming a carbon emitter itself. The Amazon's plight is not just a local concern but a global emergency, demanding urgent attention and action from every corner of the planet. It's time for the world to unite and protect the Amazon, ensuring it continues to breathe life into our world for generations to come.